Hi, this is James from Square Internet with a digital marketing tutorial. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can figure out how strong is your website. Specifically, how you can get a score of from 1 to 100 using our website grader tool. So what is the website grader tool? Well, our free website grader tool will allow you to get a breakdown of your website's performance, looking at a few key areas. Specifically, a score for its mobile friendliness, a score for its search engine optimization, security, performance, and speed. And a combination of all of these factors is taken into account when producing a score from, you guessed it, 0 to 100. So why is this useful? Well, first of all, it's really useful for highlighting any issues with your website. Specifically, if you're a marketing manager or you're the person accountable for your company website, you may not always be aware of what's going on under the hood on the website or where specifically to look for improvements. It's also very useful as a marketing and sales tool because, as you're probably aware, your website these days is the centerpiece of your marketing as far as most B2B companies go. It's your digital storefront. It's the first place people will land when they're doing their due diligence or checking you out. If they're going to Google your company name, one of the first things they'll do is land on your website, and they'll want to see what you're about, how you do it, and how your website performs is going to inform their first impression of your company. So if the first thing that they see is a website that's not very well maintained, perhaps there are errors or browser compatibility issues like, one font appearing huge on Internet Explorer or not appearing at all, then it's obviously not going to give a very good first impression to these visitors. So it's really, really important to stay on top of how your website looks and how it performs. And also, second really important thing to look at is, and something a lot of small businesses are guilty of doing, is spending a lot of money on marketing, specifically digital marketing budgets, when they should be investing in the performance of their website. So say for instance you had a shop on the high street and you hired a bunch of people to go out flyering, and you were spending, a few £100 a day on a team of flyers, people that were out there shouting about your company, handing out flyers, me, look at my company, come visit me. That may sound like a strategy that could work, but if these people are giving flyers to people on the high street and they're doing a good job, they may well be doing a good job, and then these people turn up to a shop and the sign's crooked, hanging off the front of the store, the shopkeeper looks hungover, and the store's a mess. What do you think is going to happen when they go into the store? Well, they're going to leave and they're not going to buy anything. And the same strategy rings true when it comes to your website, whether it's a B2B website, an online store, whether you're a marketplace, whatever it may be. If the first impression's bad, your bounce rate may be high, i.e. people are going to land and then not visit more than the first page. They may just think, I can't be bothered with this, I'm going to go elsewhere. And then if once they get past the first page, they're encountering errors, links aren't working, the content's not laid out well, it's not mobile friendly, all of these things are just going to add up, and there are going to be drop-offs before they get through the content they need to get to decide whether they want to work with you. So our website grader is going to help you start looking at some of these issues that perhaps you may not have been aware of. And as far as I'm concerned, if you can use a free tool and it flags a few things that you may not have been aware of that help you either in your role as a marketer or being accountable for the website, or perhaps they bring to light some areas to look at that could help you improve your marketing or sales metrics, they're well worth looking at. So if it sounds like something you'd be interested in trying out, it's really simple to use. All that you need to do is navigate to the website grader page on our website, which is /website-grader. Pop in your website URL and your email address, click get your answer, and we'll send you over the results of your website grader score within a couple of hours, which you can check out, take a look through, and if you have any questions, just give us an email back and we'd be more than happy to answer them. Hopefully you found this video useful, and if you do want to use the website grader tool, feel free to go ahead, and we look forward to sending you your results. Thanks very much. Bye.